Soft diet. What you need to know for a gentle nourishment. When it comes to maintaining a healthy and comfortable lifestyle, diet plays a pivotal role. Among the various dietary options, a soft diet stands out as a critical player, offering a gentle and nourishing approach to eating. The details of a soft diet, exploring its benefits, recommended foods, preparation tips, and more. So, if you're curious about how a soft diet can be a game-changer for your well-being, keep reading. Introduction to soft diet. A soft diet, as the name suggests, is a dietary approach that involves consuming foods that are easy to chew, swallow, and digest. It's commonly recommended for individuals with specific medical conditions, post-surgical patients, and those who require a gentle diet due to dental issues. This diet eliminates excessive chewing, making it an ideal choice for individuals with compromised chewing ability. Who might benefit from a soft diet? A soft diet is often prescribed for a variety of reasons. Individuals who have undergone dental, jaw, or oral health problems can find relief in a soft diet. Additionally, people with gastrointestinal disorders, such as acid reflux or gastritis, may benefit from its soothing nature. Furthermore, elderly individuals who struggle with chewing and digestion can also improve their nutritional intake with a soft diet. The advantages of opting for a soft diet. 1. Gentle on digestion. Soft foods are more accessible for the stomach to process, reducing the strain on the digestive system. 2. Nutritionally rich. A well-planned soft diet can provide essential nutrients without compromising variety. 3. Pain relief. A soft diet minimizes discomfort during eating for those recovering from oral or dental surgeries. 4. Digestive disorders. People with conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, find respite with a diet that reduces irritation. Foods to embrace on a soft diet. A soft diet doesn't mean compromising on nutrition or flavor. You can enjoy a range of foods, including 1. Cooked and mashed vegetables. 2. Soft fruits like bananas and cooked apples. 3. Tender meats and poultry. 4. Eggs, both scrambled and boiled. 5. Cooked grains like oatmeal and rice. 6. Dairy products, such as yogurt and soft cheeses. Foods to avoid. While there's a wide array of foods you can enjoy, some are better left aside. 1. Tough meats that require extensive chewing. 2. Crunchy fruits and vegetables. 3. Nuts and seeds. 4. Spicy and acidic foods that might irritate. 5. Sticky foods that could be hard to swallow. Crafting a balanced soft diet plan. Focus on a balanced approach to ensure you get the nutrients you need. Include a variety of protein sources, fiber-rich grains, and vitamin-packed soft fruits and vegetables. Consult with a nutritionist to create a plan that meets your dietary requirements. Preparing and cooking soft meals. Cooking for a soft diet can be creative and satisfying. Steaming, boiling, baking, and slow cooking are great techniques. Experiment with textures and flavors to keep your meals interesting. Snacking the soft way. Soft snacks like yogurt, pudding, fruit smoothies, and cottage cheese satisfy your cravings. These options are not only delicious but also easy on your digestion. Staying hydrated. Soft drinks and fluids. Staying hydrated is essential. Opt for soft drinks like herbal teas, milkshakes, and fruit juices without added pulp. These choices ensure you're getting enough fluids while adhering to your diet. Challenges you might face on a soft diet. Embracing a soft diet might come with challenges like missing the crunch of certain foods or feeling limited in choices. Overcoming these challenges requires a positive mindset and exploring new ways to enjoy texture and taste. Tips to overcome challenges. 1. Experiment with different cooking methods to add variety to your meals. 2. Use seasonings and herbs to enhance the flavors of your soft dishes. 3. Keep an open mind and try new foods that fit the week diet guidelines. Transitioning back to a regular diet. Once the need for a soft diet diminishes, it's essential to transition back to a regular diet gradually. Reintroduce solid foods slowly while paying attention to how your body responds. Soft diet for different age groups. Soft diets are not limited by age. They can benefit children, adults, and older people. The focus shifts based on individual needs, ensuring appropriate nutrition for every stage of life. Consulting a professional. When and why? Before embarking on a soft diet, especially for medical reasons, it's advisable to consult a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian. They can provide personalized guidance based on your health status and goals. Your path to a gentler diet. A soft diet is a valuable option for various situations, offering comfort and nutrition simultaneously. Whether recovering from a dental procedure, managing a digestive condition, or simply seeking a gentler way to nourish your body, the soft diet has much to offer. Remember, moderation, variety, and professional guidance are crucial to maximizing this dietary approach.